Hi there, it's Mrs MLG here from Mighty Lancer Games, and as you know, we keep Halloween and spooky awesomeness in all year round. And we've just got a new delivery, so I thought we could look at it together. Things such as this awesome sign. A wicked witch lives here with a handsome devil and their little monsters. That's super cool. I mean, you could have that up all year round, couldn't you? There's no need just to have that up at Halloween. You could have that in your home all year round. The same as this one. Ghost rules. Creep it real. Get in the spirit. Stay spooky. Remember, you are beautiful. You can do it. I mean, that's just a list of rules to not live by. That wouldn't really work, would it? But you know what I mean. I mean, you can do it every day. Doesn't have to be Halloween. We've also got the tin signs. Broom parking. Home is where you hang your broom. Again, you know, you can have these up all year round. Hocus Pocus Broomstick Company. Family owned, retail sales and repairs. And an awesome pin-up witch. Reminds me of Bewitched, that one. Better not wrinkle my nose. And practical use as well, look. Can maybe put a brolly over there or some keys. Witches only. Broom parking. All others will be towed at their expense. Oh, and talking about umbrellas, this awesome umbrella with spiderweb, and we've also got one with bat. But it's just the little tiny details. Let me see if I can show you on here. The button that you press. Look, I mean, look how cool that is. Just that little detail, like some kind of Gothic ring that a vampire lord might wear. And then they've also got the metal tip, so it's a long walking stick, so you can look elegant as you are walking along. And then things like the witch hat keyring with the bell. The tone and vibration of bells banish unwanted spirits. Keep this lucky witch hat on you to keep away negative energy. I mean, that's just cute, isn't it? That's just nice. It's just nice to have. Broomstick teaspoons. Who doesn't want broomstick teaspoons? Stir your brew with a broomstick. There's loads of other things like this really nice mug. Ghost mug. That would make an awesome present for somebody who loves spooky stuff. And this one, let's see if I can get this one out of the box to show you. This one comes with a spoon, a broomstick spoon. It's just a really nice colour, really elegant colour, and then the handle has the holes in like this, and you get your broomstick spoon. Look, looks like a broomstick, and that pops in there. So if say you've got hot chocolate or something, you've got your spoon there to stir your hot chocolate or your coffee or whatever. I mean, that's love that. It's a lovely colour. It's a lovely colour. Unusual. More practical items. This is ace. Hooks for various things. A spider web key hook. Hang hooks on there, and that's how it attaches to where you want it. But just simple. I mean, look how elegant that'd look in your home. Be able to show your spooky side and still be practical. We like when things are practical. And then, of course, the pumpkin wax or oil burner. That's cool. The lid comes off, and then you put your oil or your wax melt discs. We also sell wax melt discs in the top there. Tea light in the bottom warms it up. Again, just beautiful. Witch's hat. This the top bit comes off. You put one of those cones, and then the smoke comes out of the hole. All spooky wooky. We've also got mug sets. So we've got Wicked Witch and Handsome Devil. And this isn't Christmassy, I suppose. But really, I mean, you know, naughty and naughtier. You could be naughty and naughtier all year round with the super cool black and white stripy handles. So much cool things that we've got. terracotta pumpkin tea light holder. This is just the new stuff that's coming. This is just the new stuff. We've also got all of the other awesomeness that we normally have. So take a look in our Bridlington shop in East Yorkshire and also at mightylancergames.co.uk and pick up your super cool, alternative and spooky homewares and gifts.